guys, it's Day 5 and we are going to continue with the Minecraft theme, and today's book is Guide to Enchantments and Potions, and last book was Guide to Creative. But there's 3 sections in both books, and if we open this up to section 1, where is it? Here's section 1. It tells us about how to control our potions and how to control our enchantments in case we overuse them. And then over here it shows, in section 2, it shows us how to make the potions, and it tells us the name of the potions, for example fire resistance and invisibility. And if I go into section 3, which is here, it's advanced sorcery. So in this one it says it tells us how to enchant swords, and it basically tells you how to enchant stuff in that one. And I got these 2 books from Waterstone, so if you ever wanna get them, you can order them online from Waterstones. And yeah, the reason I said online is because the government said to only go out if it's necessary. And it's not necessary to just go out and buy a book, because that's not important. So order them online and stay safe. Okay? Till next time, guys. Peace out.